Business on the side, party on the side. What's good? Welcome back to my channel where we all about fashion, beauty, and everything girl gang. My name is Valerie for those of you who are new, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got these lovely, gorgeous, two-colored box braids going on, and if you're interested to see that, please do continue watching. Okay, let's get right into it. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your gel, the same gel that we used for the last video, as well as this packet of braids, the darling Yaki braid in color 27, the same one that we used for the last video, as well as a comb. I'm gonna be using this one. I wish I had a thinner one because we want the lines to be super precise, as well as some wool. So we're just gonna go in with our comb. I was told not to ever manipulate your hair without it being moisturized. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair. This is just castor oil and water, and so I just shake it up, spray it all over my head. Okay, so here's where the real magic happens. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our comb, and then we're going to try and figure out the middle, because you know I'm here for the middle part or whatever. Try to figure out the middle, make sure that it's as straight as it can possibly be. That's the middle, I think. Yeah, that's the middle. So we're gonna be making boxes all over our head using the yarn. Measure how big I want the boxes to be. So that's basically the part. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 of those on each side, and then I'm gonna go this way at the back. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna take our comb, and then I'm just going to part that and start twisting them. Okay, so we're back and we're finally done. As you guys can see, I managed to get my whole head finito, and now we're gonna move on to the braid. So we're gonna take our braiding hair, and then we just separate the hairband from the hair, and then we're going to pull. I'm gonna start off with this much. Okay, so that's that then. I'm not going to make them super thick. So we're just gonna take that size, and then I tie them at the end because I'm not going to plait all the way at the end. I think I'm gonna curl them at the end. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so we've done the half of my head with blonde, and the title did say with a twist, honey. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with black on the other side. So we're gonna go in with black and just basically the same process, but I'm using the no fuss braid, so I don't have to pull this one, thank the Lord. And this is what this comes out as in the color 1, and see, it doesn't have to be pulled because it's pulled already. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with the black as well as the blonde. Guys, I'm on here my little Uzi, but the issue is that this texture and this texture are different. So I don't know how they're gonna curl. I was gonna use my curly rollers, but I changed my mind. There's a method that my hairdresser showed me. So you need your yarn. I'm gonna take a piece of yarn, and then I'm gonna section these into, I think I sectioned it into like so. Yeah, I'm gonna section it into 2. And then you twist it up at the top like this. But you're twisting loosely. Don't twist it too tight. Okay, so we're gonna take the strand and then we're going to push it upwards like this, like that. And then I'm gonna take the rest of it and just tie it into a bowl at the top like this. Okay, and we're done wrapping everything up. We look a little bit crazy. We look a little bit crazy right now, but I'm just gonna go and dip these in here, get myself all pretty, whatever, and then I will come back and show you guys the end results. Okay, you guys, so a young update from Valerie in the edits. It did not work. Okay, the braid did not curl, so I had to just braid them all the way to the end, and yeah. Business on the side, party on the side. So this is what they look like. We've got the half blonde, half black child looking like little Uzi or whatever. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Please do let me know down below in the comment section if you would try something like this. Please let me know how you feel about this video down below in the comment section. Would you try something like this? If you would, let me know what kind of colors. And thank you again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also share with your friends and family if you think this will be beneficial to them. And that is it from me. See you guys in the next one.